Whatever you set it up, it's got unlimited upside. You have to be willing to take ownership of the shares. The modified Bionic Bull does not have unlimited upside. It can be a lot of upside, but it's not unlimited. Let's use the premise that you have a stock. Here we're looking at IonQ, but it can be any name, right? It can be ABC, it can be XYZ, it can be whatever. But the premise is that you think it's going higher and you think it's going a lot higher over the next 11 days to the next 3 months. We're kind of playing a market assumption that the market is going higher. It's going to hit 7,000, right? It's gonna hit 7,000. So the SPX right now is at 67.41. We're saying it's gonna go up about 260 points and hit 7,000. Now, if it does that, one of the kind of unknown kind of facts about the market is that most stocks, 90+% of stocks follow the market. So if the market is going up, those stocks are going up. If the market is going down, those stocks are going down. So if the market is going to make that type of run, a lot of companies like IonQ are going to benefit. They're just going to benefit more to the upside, most likely, because the implied volatility is higher. It's bigger moves. As you can see, an implied volatility here with IonQ is 130. So it's an asymmetrical type of risk reward. It can't go down more than 100%. It can't go past zero, but it can go up higher than that. That's why the implied volatility is 130. My point with this is that it's a lot of stocks that's going to go up, and you might want to play that upside in a big way. And one of the ways to do it, if you want to be safe but still have unlimited or a lot of upside potential, then our safeguard strategy is the way to do it. And what I want to point out here is the Bionic Bull. So we have our Bionic Bull, and then we have our modified Bionic Bull. Our Bionic Bull, or the traditional type of Bionic Bull, has unlimited upside. And the difference between the Bionic Bull and the modified one, the modified does not have unlimited upside, but it has more upside, significantly more upside than just selling a cash secured put. So a number of you heard of the will strategy, and the will strategy starts with selling a cash secured put. If you do a cash secured put, you do not have unlimited upside. The most you can make is the credit that you receive. Well, our Bionic Bull changes that. It's using a cash secured put, but it's also buying a call so you can have unlimited upside. Our modified Bionic Bull usually sells a put again, takes some of those monies and buys some type of call spread or butterfly or something like that to have more upside than what you receive for just selling the cash secured put. So I'm going to break down those two different ways we can use on IonQ or once again, any other type of stock that you think is going to shoot up and take part in this market going to 7,000. I think it's going to do that. Is it a guarantee? No. Are we already bubblicious? Absolutely. But the market has a tendency to drift to these kind of sexy numbers. And I know that's 260 points away, but it's already been spoken into existence. We already have people talking about it on all the kind of major investment channels and major investment websites and things like that. They're already talking about it. So it's going to have that tendency to drift that way. Just like I believe gold is going to $4,000 an ounce. We set it, I don't know, maybe it hit it today already. It's only like 13 points away from it right now. So let's see. Did gold hit a 4,000 a day? Well, it technically didn't. It's about 6 points below it. But did any of you guys doubt that it was going to hit 4,000 when we said that a week ago? You probably didn't, because it's got that tendency to go to that sexy number. Maybe it has some type of, kind of resistance after it hits it. Maybe. But it hasn't had any for the last 1,000 points, which has just been amazing. This is the biggest run I've seen gold through my trading career. It's just been an absolutely upward movement that hasn't really relented. It just keeps going up. And that's what happens when you're in bull markets. We're definitely in the gold bull market. We're definitely in the S&P 500, NASDAQ, AI, whatever you want to call it, bull market. It's a bull market, and we want to participate in it, and we want to be somewhat vigilant, though. So if we go back to this IonQ and we look and we break down the Bionic Bulls, I'm just going to use 11-day, and we're going to do a traditional Bionic Bull. Just want to take a quick second and say, if you're interested in learning more, please consider joining our trading club. You can do so for a 90-day trial period for a flat $60. Check out the description below. Now back to the video. And so you have to be willing to own the shares, just like if you were selling a cash secured put. So if you like IonQ, which is kind of a super computer maker, a quantum computer maker, if they're going to go up over time because AI is going up, then this is going to participate at least indirectly. It's already had a major run. I think it's going higher. I want to participate with it and okay with owning it. And especially if you're okay with owning more than 100 shares, you can kind of cost dollar average or kind of wait till it drops and then add another put or add another 100 shares or whatever the case would be to kind of make sure you get it at a decent price. Because can this fall 10%, 20%, 30%? Absolutely, it can. The implied volatility is saying it could go to zero. I don't think that's going to be the case, but that's what the implied volatility is saying. This is most likely going to jump 100%. I think it's going to 100 by the end of the year. If that's my premise, if that's my take, let's just say I sell this 74. It was already below 74 this morning. But let's say I sell this 74, which is the 35 delta. And then if you're doing a Bionic bull, a traditional Bionic bull, you're going to take some of these monies and you're going to buy a call. Right? So if I go over here and I buy the call for something that's less than $400, I buy this one here at the 90 strike. Well, I don't really love this because I don't make more than this $134 credit until it jumps past this 90 strike at expiration. So it has to go up. It does have a 62% chance of touching this in the next 11 days, but that's a pretty kind of significant leap up from where it's already leaped up a lot. So I don't love this, but this is technically a bionic bull. You have unlimited upside. As you can see, you're starting off at 65 deltas. This is going to be dynamic, so it could and it would go to more deltas if it goes up. To be able to put on this trade, you got to have at least $1,400, just over $1,400 in your account. That's the collateral you have to put up. If it drops, you're going to have to add more collateral. So you need more than that, maybe double that to be able to play this, in my opinion. Now, your max loss, if it goes to zero, is 7,200. I don't think it's going to zero. I'm going to play this for a while. You guys know we've been playing it, and we missed a lot of the up run because we were being silly, and we should have played it because we've been talking about it for a long time. We played it in the past, made some money, and then we went away from it. Should have stayed in it. But we've over the last 2 weeks made over $1,000 over the last 2 weeks, perhaps. So with that said, this is a Bionic bull. I don't love it. If I wanted to move up this call to get a little closer, just in case it doesn't jump up a ton over the next 11 days, and say I move this call to the 11, the 49 delta or the 81 strike, well, now I have a debit of 127. So what I can do, if I didn't want to move the call, to move the put up to the 77, which will give me a credit, right? As you guys can see right here, this is giving me a credit and I have unlimited upside at that point still. And I'm starting with like 90 deltas. Once again, this is dynamic. It will go higher if the market, if this IonQ goes higher. So this is a way you can set up the Bionic bull. Obviously, it's a little bit more aggressive. You don't have much of the downside before you have to potentially take ownership of the shares. You can do a Bionic bull by moving the put down further. And if you wanted to, take on 200 shares, you can do 2 contracts here. That's still a traditional Bionic bull. The difference between a traditional Bionic bull and a modified Bionic bull, once again, is that traditional has unlimited upside. Whatever you set it up, it's got unlimited upside. You have to be willing to take ownership of the shares. The modified Bionic bull does not have unlimited upside. It can be a lot of upside, but it's not unlimited. In this case, if we move this put down, we have to be willing to take on 200 shares, but we can move it down a little further, right? We can move it down as far as this 71 strike here, and then it would have to, it would give it some room to pull back. And if it doesn't pull back, we got unlimited upside potential over the next 11 days. So that is a structure of the Bionic bull. So we have the Bionic bull, also known as the traditional Bionic bull. If we decide that we want to do a modified Bionic bull, then we can structure this a little differently. Let's just say we didn't want to take on 200 shares and we didn't want to have the put any closer than the 71 strike. Right? So what we can do then is move this to the 80 strike. And at that point, we have a debit of about $3. We just need to sell something for more than $3 on the call side. So if we sell this 90 strike here, then now we're getting a credit. And you can see that our put is way down there. It has to fall more than $7 before it touches this 71. It doesn't have to go up too much, only about $1.30 before it touches this 80 strike. And then it has a 62% chance of touching this 90 strike. So we have a really good chance that we can make the money between this 80 and 90 strike, which is $1,000. That's a 10-point wide spread. So it's $1,000 plus the credit that we receive. That's how much we can make over the next week, 11 days. Right? That's the max profit there. We do not have unlimited profit, but what goes up unlimited or just significantly in 11 days? Can it happen? Absolutely. And recently it has happened to us. A few weeks back, just before Oracle jumped up, he came to me and said, "What kind of strategy can we do for Oracle? I think it's going to jump up because I got this message from a friend. He's a trusted friend. I think he's going to do. I think Oracle's going to pop." Right? I said, "Okay, maybe it's going to pop." The friend was saying that Oracle's going to run the bid for TikTok, right? And so we put the trade on a Monday, but we decided to do a modified Bionic Bull. The reason why we didn't do a traditional Bionic Bull because the odds on it going the way going up a lot in that time frame was very very small, and we thought, okay, probabilistically it just wasn't to go to that top of that call part of the spread that we set up, but it did, right? And to our chagrin, we missed out on maybe $9,000 on just one trade, right? That's how much it jumped up. A big old company like Oracle jumped up that much. Can it do it? Yeah, but the odds are not. And we're probabilistic traders, so we always thinking in odds. Are we going to always be right? No. I like to use the example that I got from Thinking in Bets by Annie Duke. She talked about the probabilities of Clinton beating Trump during that first time they were running for president, or at least the first time President Trump was running for it. Well, it was 60%, 40%. I think those were the odds. And so after Clinton lost, people were like, "Oh, the polls are wrong." The polls didn't say 100% that she was going to win. They said she had a 60% chance. So if you are a casino, right, if you're an insurance company, or if you are a probabilistic type of trader, you're going to bet on the 60% winner. The odds that it has 60%. But if you're a smart trader, if you're a smart casino, you're a smart insurance company, you understand you can lose. You have a 40% chance to lose. So you don't back up the truck with those odds. That would be silly. And the people who did, they were crying. It's almost nothing 100% in this world, you guys, except death and taxes. That other saying, right? Death and taxes. Until they can figure out how to overcome death, because they're probably never going to figure out how to overcome taxes. All right, so this is the modified Bionic pool. You set it up so you can better position yourself for a fall, but you are anticipating maybe some more upside in this case, in this premise, right? The market has been going up almost every day for it feels like at least a week or so. And we've been going up almost every day since April. So it's been a huge market rally. Well, yes, we can pull back. Well, if we pull back, this will give you a little better cost basis if you can put this at the 71. The further you can get away and still have some really good upside, the better for you. Because no one knows when the music is going to stop. No one knows when we're going to just wake up and we're down 3%. Would that surprise me if that happened tomorrow or any day in the near future? No, it wouldn't surprise me at all. Because we just keep going up. We just keep going up. So this is a way to protect yourself a little bit. Is it the best way to protect yourself using a safeguard strategy? No, that would be a tight collar. But this is a way to get into the trade, still have some really good upside if you're doing the Bionic Bull, or if you're doing this modified Bionic Bull, still have some really good upside. You want to understand the dynamics of it. It's just basics of options. We're doing a call spread here, and we're selling a cash secured put here. You have an obligation and you have an overall right here. Your obligation supersedes your overall right, because if it falls, you will have to buy shares here, or you should be willing to buy shares to be able to make this safe. What makes it safe is that you're willing to own these shares for a while to wait for it to come back. If you think it's a good company, it's debatable if IonQ is a good company, but I think it's not very debatable if it's a really good speculative play. That's what it's been. But if you're doing these kind of things on an index like the S&P 500 using UPRO or the TQQ, the NASDAQ 100 leverage type of ETF, then that's a lot. I can't stress a lot more, less speculative. It's going to come back 100%. Those are always come back, and it will continue. And if they don't, we have bigger issues.